Our planet is sending us a message we can no longer ignore. Climate disasters are accelerating, communities are drowning in the consequences of our choices. But within this crisis lies our greatest opportunity. The importance of sustainable development has never been more critical. This is our blueprint for the future. The concept of sustainable development is more than a buzzword. It's a critical framework for our collective future. It challenges us to redefine progress, moving beyond short-term gains to build a world where human advancement doesn't compromise the planet. This new paradigm rests on three interconnected pillars. First, environmental stewardship. This is the foundation demanding we act as guardians of our natural world. It's not just about protecting ecosystems, but innovating to decouple growth from resource depletion. As we transition to clean energy, true stewardship means creating closed-loop systems where valuable materials for batteries are recovered and reused, minimizing our environmental footprint from start to finish. Second, social equity. A sustainable transition must be a just transition. This means creating high-quality jobs and fostering inclusive economic opportunities that empower entire communities. It's about ensuring the benefits of, the green economy are shared widely, from the engineers designing new technologies to the technicians on the factory floor, building resilient societies where no one is left behind. Third, economic viability. For sustainability to be scalable, it must be profitable. This isn't about prioritizing profit over planet, but proving they go hand in hand. Innovative companies are demonstrating that circular economy is a powerful business model, creating value from waste and building resilient domestic supply chains that drive the revolution forward. These pillars are not separate goals. They are a tightly woven braid. Lasting change is only possible when environmental stewardship, social equity, and economic viability work in perfect harmony. The challenges we face are unprecedented in scale. Traditional industries continue pumping carbon into our atmosphere. Electronic waste is the fastest growing waste stream globally. We're depleting finite resources at an unsustainable rate. Current consumption patterns are pushing our planet beyond its limits, but innovative companies are pioneering solutions. So how do we turn this vision of a sustainable future into a tangible reality? The answer lies in a clear, actionable blueprint, a 4-part strategy that innovative companies are already implementing. This isn't about incremental changes, it's about a fundamental redesign of our industrial systems. The very first principle and the most transformative is the full-scale adoption of a circular economy. The blueprint begins with circular economy principles. At the forefront of this revolution is Redwood Materials. Inside their state-of-the-art facilities, end-of-life batteries are meticulously dismantled. Through a proprietary combination of hydrometallurgy and other low-energy processes, they are achieving a remarkable feat, recovering up to 95% of the critical metals within lithium, cobalt, nickel, and copper. These aren't just reclaimed, they are purified to a grade that rivals newly mined materials. This process effectively closes the loop, transforming waste into valuable resources for the clean energy transition, ready to build the next generation of batteries. Step 2, integrate renewable energy into all operations. A circular model is only truly sustainable if the energy powering it is also clean. Redwood Materials is building its facilities to be powered entirely by clean energy, covering its rooftops with vast solar arrays. This synergy is critical. By localizing the supply chain and powering it with renewables, they dramatically slash the carbon footprint. The resulting battery components have an associated carbon emission reduction of up to 80% compared to the traditional carbon-intensive process of mining and shipping materials across the globe. It's a core part of creating a truly green product from start to finish. Step 3, invest in communities and workforce development. This technological revolution must also be a social one. It means creating thousands of high-quality, well-paying jobs, from chemical engineers and material scientists to technicians and logistics experts. It involves partnering with local colleges to develop specialized training programs, ensuring the local workforce has the skills for the jobs of tomorrow. By building these facilities in American communities, we're not just recycling batteries, we're revitalizing local economies and creating career pathways. This builds resilient supply chains that serve local communities, making them less vulnerable to global disruptions. Step 4, accelerate innovation through strategic partnerships. No single company can solve this challenge alone. The scale of the transition requires a collaborative ecosystem. By partnering directly with automotive giants like Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen, a powerful feedback loop is created. These partners provide a steady stream of end-of-life products for recycling and in turn become the first customers for the high-quality recycled materials. This de-risks the investment and guarantees a market, allowing for rapid scaling of the technology. It's this web of collaboration that will scale solutions to meet the demands of our clean energy future. This is the future we can build together, a world where our cities breathe, powered by clean energy and connected by intelligent transport, where waste is not an endpoint but a valuable resource feeding a circular system. This isn't a distant utopia, it's a tangible reality, engineered with sustainability at its core. This vision redefines prosperity, where economic growth and environmental protection work hand in hand. The shift to sustainability is unlocking innovation, creating new industries, and generating long-term value. Companies are proving that a commitment to the triple bottom line, people, planet, and profit, is the most resilient business strategy. What's good for the planet is great for business. Ultimately, this is about the legacy we choose to leave. It's a promise we make to our children, not with words, but with decisive action. It means moving beyond the linear take, make, dispose model and fully embracing a circular future where we leave a better planet for generations to come. The blueprint exists, the technology is proven. Pioneers like Redwood Materials have shown we can reclaim critical battery components with over 95% efficiency. They are building a domestic supply chain that is both economically sound and environmentally responsible. Their process isn't just recycling, it's a fundamental reimagining of manufacturing. Now we need leaders, innovators, and citizens to act. We need policymakers to create frameworks that incentivize circularity, entrepreneurs to scale these solutions, and conscious consumers to drive demand. Your choices and your voice are the catalysts that will turn this blueprint into a global standard. The journey is just beginning. Subscribe to Eco Innova Tech for more insights on building our sustainable future. Together, we can create a blueprint for tomorrow that works for everyone.